How you can post 1 minute long videos or even longer on your Instagram account. First, you want to go over to your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store. You want to basically look for the Instagram app, and then here you're looking for a button that says update. Basically, you want to update your Instagram app to the latest version so that way you can have the ability and the feature to upload longer videos. Once it has been completely updated, simply click on the open button. So now you have your Instagram account updated completely to the latest version. So from here, what you want to do is go over and click on the plus icon on the top right hand corner. Now you're going to have this ability where you want to click on the second option that says post. And so you can either film a video that's over 1 minute long, or you just go over into your gallery, find a video that's over 1 minute long. For example, I have a video that's 1 minute 51 seconds. Go over and click on the next arrow button on the right hand side. We can go ahead and click on next. You can caption it whatever you want, doesn't really matter. And then from here, if you click on the share icon, just like that, the video has now started to upload, and essentially you can upload really long videos.